Hello everyone, in this video we're going to solve 2025 AP Calculus AB and BC free response question 3. A student starts reading a book at time t equals 0 minutes and continues reading for the next 10 minutes. The rate at which the student reads is modeled by the differentiable function r, where r of t is measured in words per minute. Selected values of r of t are given in the table below. Question A. Approximate r prime of 1 using the average rate of change of r over the interval 0 to 2. Alright, now you have question A using average rate of change, right? So r prime of 1 equals r1 right here between 0 and 2. So you have r2 minus r0 over 2 minus 0, right? r2 is going to be 100, r0 is going to be 90, right? So you have 100 subtract 90 divided by 2. So it could be 5 words per minute, right? The units right here, words per minute. Now, question B. Must there be a value of C for C between 0 and 10 such that R of C equals 155? Justify your answer. Alright, so this is actually we're going to use intermediate value theorem, which is IVT, right? Now, in order to use IVT, you need to make sure the function is continuous. We look at this one, we see that the function r is differentiable. And then you know that if the function is differentiable, it's going to be continuous. Alright, if the function is continuous, it's not necessarily differentiable. So be careful. So you need to say since the function r is differentiable, then it is continuous. Now we're going to check r0, r10. r0 equals 90, right? r10 equals 162, right? This guy less than 155 and 155 less than this one, right? But 155 is r of c, right? So you have r of 0 less than r of c less than r of 10, right? So you need to say by the intermediate value theorem, there must be a number c where c from 0 to 10 such that r of c equals 155. Alright, let's move on to question C. Use the trapezoidal sum with the 3 subintervals indicated by the data in the table to approximate the value of this guy. Show the work that leads to your answer. Alright, so 3 subinterval is going to be right here. From here to here, delta S equals 2. From here to here, delta S equals 6. From here to here, delta S equals 2, right? Remember that the trapezoid error formula is given by base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. Now, from 0 to 2, base 1 is 90, base 2 is 100, the height is 2 right here, right? So you have question C. The error is given by the interval from 0 to 10 r of t dt. It's going to be base 1 equal 90 plus base 2 is going to be 100 times the height, which means delta S equal 2 divided by 2 plus the second one right here. Base 1 is 100, base 2 is 150, the height should be 6, right? So it could be 100 plus 150 times 6 divided by 2. Now plus the third one, 150 plus 162 times 2 divided by 2, right? 150 plus 162 times 2 divided by 2, right? 190 plus 750 plus 312. Then the final answer must be 1252 words. Now let's move on to question D. A teacher also starts reading at time t equals 0 minutes and continues reading for the next 10 minutes. The rate at which the teacher reads is modeled by the function W divided by this guy, where Wt is measured in words per minute. Based on the model, how many words has the teacher read by the end of 10 minutes? Because this is the function of the rate of change, right? So technically, you just integrate this one. D is going to be integral from 0 to 10 of negative 3 over 10 t squared plus a t plus 100 dt, right? So it's going to be negative 3 over 10 times t power of 3 over 3 plus 8 t squared over 2 plus 100 t. Evaluated this one from 0 to 10, right? Now you need to simplify this one. 3 and 3 cancel out, right? This is a divided by 2, it's going to be 4 right here, right? So I substitute 10 over here, it's going to be 1000 divided by 10, it's going to be negative 100, right? 10 substitute over here, it's going to be 100. 100 times 4, it could be plus 400, right? And this guy is going to be plus 1000, right? 0 substitute over here is going to be 0. So the answer should be 1300 words. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.